What is up, party people? I'm here on modded Nerf night. I got a shotgun. It's not modded yet. The game has... Ow. Okay. And the game has just ended already here, folks.
Stop shooting.
Huh?
I hit that shot. Right in the eye, bro. Oh.
We have a juggernaut here.
Yeah, thanks, Wild.
Now, folks, we're playing a game of HPC here. It's all about teamwork. Oh, he's right over there. He's right over there.
You got me.
Gotcha.
You have to hit him twice with that one.
Oh.
You got me.
You still keep going.
Oh.
Now you're dead though.
Oh, now we got two zombies, bro.
Two zombies.
Shield, which means one hit kill.
Oh, God, no. This is about to be bad.
Right?
Oh, no.
Oh god. He doesn't have shield though, so that means you're fine with regular shots. I will focus shield guy. Focus him because he's better at probably running.
All right.
Whoa, come on! Don't just stay alone.
He's over here.
Get picked off.
Now we have two zombies to deal with.
I got over here. Zombies coming. Zombies coming.
I'm focusing on this guy. Okay, I'm moving in. I'm moving in.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
You got me. What? You thank you, bro.
Yeah, that's right. I'm armed. You will never get close to me. Okay.
That's fine.
That was fun.
Where is he?
Right there, right there, right there. He's over there.
Who's automatic? Who's full automatic? Back up, back up, back up!
Oh, I see him. I see him.
Nice job.
Thank you.
You got someone in here.
Now I'm the zombie. Oh, you already got hit.
Already out.
Game's over, bro.
Get a little smooch.
Well, folks, hope you guys enjoyed that game. That game was awesome. We have.
Fine, bro. He kept trying to come for you, bro.
Yep, so true.
He said, nope. Come back to the base, come back. Nope. Come back to the base, come back.
Yeah, guys, you see me. I was like,
And then you ran out of ammo, and then I stepped in.
Yeah.
yep.
It's so hard to balance it out when you got somebody with a shield and then you got
Yeah.
somebody running like a lunatic
Yeah.
and you only got
Two
one.
y'all playing another game of HVC. Incoming!
Oh!
Okay.
Hey, 2 shots in the shield.
Fine.
2 shots in the shield.
Oh, we are so
Shots
dead.
in the shield, he's dead.
Or one's with these.
Huh?
Or one's with us.
Yeah, or one's with those.
Okay, I got 2 shots with this.
Let him know that.
Oh, I will be trying to tag it after. Yes, God.
You already got me. He already got me. I'm grabbing my other sword back.
Oh.
Hey, he's usually with that. Oh, never mind.
I realized how much of a disadvantage the shield is.
Okay, folks, another game's all about teamwork here, folks. It is very quite simple. 7 minutes of survival.
We got 5 minutes and 45 seconds. He's right there.
Hey, come on!
I didn't even see him. What?
Me neither.
Oh my god.
That's awesome.
That's such a good spot though.
They used to be at the best spot. It's like hanging right here.
Folks, you gotta look at this gun. Check this gun out. Hey, this is from what you do, Johnny. Mind? Look at this beauty. Look at that beauty right there. Look at that. Look how smooth that looks. And don't worry, sir, your face is not gonna be in the video unless you want it to.
It's all good.
Awesome. So yeah, if you love those guns, come here to Tackle Art Combat. And sadly, Tackle Art Combat is only here in Minnesota. Okay, let's look at the facts here. I got a double pistol and it takes 2 shots to kill the zombie. Or 1 shot to kill the zombie.
He's in this big building. Right here.
Okay, I will. Oh shit!
Bang!
2 people right behind you.
Get the crap out of me.
I can't believe it's gonna come on.
Fair.
I can't believe it's gonna come on a zombie.
Somebody.
Alright, get ready, he's coming! He's coming!
You got 1 minute before I join you. We don't want to help.
Hey, the little man's jumping in.
You jumping in as a zombie or what?
I hope so. Oh, that's a.
Do we have to?
Oh, this is.
He is not loving this!
This is so unfair.
That is 3 minutes.
You're just watching me. You're bullying the zombie. I'm not even in yet.
And now we got 2 zombies to deal with!
Back up, back up.
Back up, back up, back. Ah!
Ah, dang
Yes! Oh my god, you saved my life, bro.
it.
Woo!
He's coming.
Can't believe I saved your life, man.
Hey, I saved yours last time.
So true, so that's we're even. He's coming, he's coming, he's coming! Now we got 3 zombies!
Oh, he's going to a separate base.
Oh boy. Mr. Zombie! Come on and play!
Hey, watch out, he's coming.
Oh, I see him, I see him!
Behind me. He's in the red building, right there in the corner. Gotcha.
Oh, nice.
He's in the red building, right in the corner.
Alright, cover that, cover that!
Oh! Woo! Found it. Found it. Oh.
Hoorah! I like this kid. This kid's fun. Okay, that's enough. Okay, well, folks, hope you enjoyed this video. If you love HVC and other games, come here to TUFC Tackle Art Combat. I'm out. And another thing. Nah, I'm a zombie. We have 45 seconds to kill the last survivor.
Dude, we got like 40 seconds left to chase one guy.
Alright, cover that. 45 seconds left to kill the last survivor. Let's do this quickly.
Oh, and he gets me with the out of ammo.
Woo! Yeah! I just killed the last survivor.
Seconds left.
Woo! Good game, brother.
The only reason why the zombies won is because he